Hi, this is Bill, and welcome to this video on the 7 design principles for ServiceNow architecture. This is part of Build It the Right Way framework. If you find value in these insights, please take a moment to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and consider joining as a member for exclusive content. Today, I'll share how these principles helps architects and developers make thoughtful, accountable choices that build solutions ready for today's needs and tomorrow's challenges. Design decisions in ServiceNow is not just about getting something to work. This will define how scalable, secure, reliable, and adaptable your platform will be. Every choice you make will leave a lasting mark on your business agility, operations, security, and of course, your user experience. That's why the 7 design principles will provide guidance for creating solutions that stand the test of time. Now, on the top left, the first principle that I've created is to establish a decision-making model. This means creating a structured process where you identify key decisions early. You will be able to weigh the trade-offs thoughtfully, validate your ideas through proof of concepts, and document the reasoning behind your choices. This record will become your guide, not just for the present, also the future reviews, audits, and finally improvements. It will keep your architecture consistent and also aligned. Now, the second principle is to apply proven design patterns. These patterns are tried and tested and common ways to solve challenges in your ServiceNow environment. This will help you avoid reinventing the wheel and reduce the risk of creating fragile solutions. By using patterns that reflect best practices for you to speed up delivery and create solutions that are easier to support and maintain. If you're finding this helpful so far, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and join as a member for deeper tutorials and exclusive resources. Now, the third on the far right is to design with future change in mind. Platform needs to evolve as your business needs grow, regulations shift, and of course, technology advances. Designing your architecture for flexibility means building solutions that allows you to scale, adopt, and support your future requirements without needing expensive and disruptive designs. Now, in the middle, on the lower left, the fourth principle is to prioritize supportability. A great architectural design isn't just one that works. It's easy to monitor, troubleshoot, and of course support, followed by supported configurations, continuously providing operational visibility and allowing you to have efficient issue resolution, contributing to stability, and of course, a better user experience. Now, as we move slightly to the right, the fifth principle is to continuously sharpen your expertise. As you know, ServiceNow evolves quickly with new technologies and new workflows, and so should its architects. Certifications, training, and community involvement, including hands-on experimentation, establishes that your designs will make use of the latest capabilities and will reflect modern best practices. Now, the sixth principle is to collaborate and seek review. Strong architectural designs comes from teamwork and collective expertise. Engaging your peers, partners, operational teams, and your platform experts helps uncover blind spots, surface new ideas, and will enable you to build solutions with shared ownership and alignment. Now, the seventh and final principle is to adopt a methodical approach. Your discipline transforms good design into a great design. Using frameworks, checklists, decision records, and diagrams helps you create designs with intent, are well documented and aligned with both technical standards, and the most important is the business goals. Thank you for watching this video, the overview of the 7 design principles for ServiceNow. I hope I have given you practical ideas for your own architectural work. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and join as a member for access to exclusive content, deeper insights, and professional resources. Together, let's build it the right way.